Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Josephine and today we will be doing a sleek low band tutorial. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notifications if you haven't, and don't forget to like, comment and share. My hair is freshly washed and I've got no product in it. I'm going to start off by applying some leave-in conditioner just to moisturize it, and after that I'm going to part my hair in the middle so that it will be easy to section the parts I'm going to twist or my bangs. I'll go ahead to section two parts for my twist or bangs and braid it to get it out of my way so that it's easy to see what I'm doing. And with the parts I'm sectioning, yours doesn't have to be in a V shape like mine. You can do normal squares or anyhow you feel comfortable with. I'm going to take my Eco Styler gel. This was a new one, so it was so hard to get it open. Or you can use any gel that works best for you. I feel like this one works very well for my hair when it's wet, and spread it all over my hair. And I'm going to use my Denman brush to really get the gel in my hair by brushing it. And I'm going to do that in two parts so that the gel can get in all parts of the hair. And use my crocodile clip to secure the side I've done. Once I'm done with one side, I'm going to go to the other side to repeat the same thing. I'm going to take some more gel and once again apply it all over my hair, and this time round I'll use a toothbrush. Don't use the one you use to brush your teeth, any old one, since it really helps in getting all the little hairs to lie down. And since I've not got much hair around my edges, this one really helps to slick down my edges. And also use the toothbrush to brush all over the clipped hair so that I get it to lie down more flatter. Then I'll apply my Eco Styler gel to the back of my hair, and I'll use my hard bristle brush to make sure everything is lying down flat and everything is looking neat before I tie my hair into a ponytail. Now I'm going to do my edges, and I'll be using the Got2b edge gel. And since I've not got much there, I try not to do much, just do a simple look, and then I'll leave it there. But these days I'm really trying, when it comes to my edges, I'm really trying for you guys, because I'm learning how to do it and all that. So after I'm done learning everything, guys, I'm just gonna be doing the most. I'm gonna be doing a lot, with my edges. I'm still learning. I'm in the process. Okay, so you guys should be ready and prepare for me. And since the aim is to get the hair to be very sleek, I'm going to apply some extra Got2b hair gel all over the top of my hair, so that everything is lying flat. I'm trying to get my hair to lie very flat and neat. Okay, so now we are done, and I'm going to tie my hair with a do-rag to let everything settle in there, so that after we are done, everything is looking good and clean. I'm gonna tie the do-rag and leave it for a couple of hours. All right, and I'll see you when my hair is ready. So this is after some hours. I went to do my thing, get things done, and this is how our hair is supposed to be looking. I'm trying to get the do-rag off, but you guys, one thing with the Got2b gel is that it always leaves this white residue on my hair. So I'm going to use some wet Q-tips to go over my edges so that there is no white residue there, if you get what I mean. Then moving on to the front part, I'm going to section my hair into two, and for each of them, I'm basically going to do the same thing. I'm going to apply gel to the side and the base of my hair and twist my hair to the very end. Yeah, it doesn't matter the direction you decide to twist, whether clockwise or anti-clockwise. So far as you are getting your hair twisted, it's fine, okay? You can also decide to do some mini braids there or do whatever. Once you are spicing up your low slick band, it's fine. You don't necessarily have to do twist. Just do anything, so that your hair is not looking very simple. So now I'm going to use these beads I got from the beauty supply store, and I'll be putting 4 on each. You can choose to put more. It all goes down to your preference. So to put the beads, I'll be using this bead threader that I also got from the beauty supply store, and I'll put the end of my hair through the hole in the bead threader, and I'll push the beads of the bead threader onto my hair, if you get what I mean. Then I'll take it from my hair and secure my hair and the beads with a rubber band, and I'm going to go over to the next one and do the same thing. This time around, I'm going to show you guys how I put the beads on the bead threader and how I put it on. And now onto our bun. I'm going to take this kinky extension. I didn't get it in all black. I got the one with color at the end, but that's gonna work perfectly fine. And this one has got 5 clips, so I'm going to open the first and the last clip and leave the rest closed to avoid too much tension in the hair. So I'm going to put the first clip on the top of my ponytail and close it. Then I'll just wrap it around until it gets to the last clip, which I'll then close to. Then I'll twist my hair from the middle to the end of the kinky extension and just wrap it around the ponytail, and I'm gonna secure it with hair tie and adjust it to how I want it to look. Just adjust it to my how I want it, and then I'll leave it like that. This is the final look, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share for more videos like this, and I'll see you in my next video. You can also check out my old videos.